Hello, I'm Siddhi Alaya from MoPharma company. Today I'm going to present one application made by our company, that is the Housework app. So let's get into it. So here we get join the workspace. On clicking the button, we can join the app, and as you can see below, there is version 1.0.0. So it is compatible for any Android versions higher than 1.0.0 and 1.0.0. On clicking this button, as you can see, they ask our email ID or username and the password. So after filling your login credentials, you have to log in for entering into the app. As we log in into the app, you can see there is a list of the people with whom you have recently contacted. There is a directory. On clicking the directory, you can see all the users which are in this app and you can contact them. You can also search a particular user by clicking the search bar and search for the user. As you can see, the username comes and you can text with that user. On clicking the navigation button, you get options for chats, profile, settings. On clicking profile, you will get your details. You can also change your name, username or email ID, and you can set your new password. You can also change your profile picture by clicking this button. So now you get different types of ratios over here. So you can keep your display picture accordingly. There is 3:4, 1:1, 3:2, 16:9. I'll go with the original one and I'll display. So my profile has been changed. There is settings. Settings you can log out. There is a theme. There is a light theme. There is a dark theme. There is also a setting for dark level, dark or black. I'll prefer dark theme with dark. On clicking the edit button, there is option for create group and create discussion. I'll show you how to create a group. You can add the users, how many users you want to add. I'll add. Next. Now there are options: private group, read only group and broadcast group. I'll show you private group and you have to enter your group name. I'll enter and the group has been created. You can send the message. Moving towards the chat functionalities, as you see, there is a plus sign button. You can take a photo, take a video, or you can also choose from library or choose any file. I'll choose from library and I'll send this. You can also write the description, what is it about. I'll write this is a screen record. As you can see, it is written uploading file name. The file has been sent. There is also a microphone button. On clicking the microphone button, it starts recording and you can send the recording. Clicking the plus sign, there are other functions also, like we can share the current location. I share my current location and my location has been shared. We can also create discussion. Suppose we have to write a discussion name. Suppose I write picture, done, and I write my message, how is this picture. So by this, a subgroup gets created which is interlinked with the main MoPharma. group. As you can see below picture, it's written Mo Pharma, and these both groups are interlinked. Now there are also other functionalities, like on pressing the chat message, there are options like reply, create discussion, mark 100, permanent link. I'll show you one by one. So going on to the reply function, I can reply to hey, and you can see a thread is also created on replying. By clicking this button, a thread is created of hey. Other functionalities are also there. There's a permanent link. By clicking on the permanent link, a link is been created which you can paste into the other applications, and it can be opened in any browser. I'll copy the link over here, and the link is being sent. Other functions are, you can copy and again you can paste it. Then this is a share. On sharing this how are you message, you can share it to the other applications. And I share. Then to reply to a particular message, there is an option called quote, by which it keeps a track of the messages, but the thread is not created like how we create in the reply function. So we will message I am good, and it's done. As you can see, a box has been created like a quote, and on clicking this quote, you can add reaction, whatever reaction you want to add. And the reaction has been added. You can star a particular message. You can even pin the message. There is option like delete. Suppose I want to delete this. I delete and it will be deleted. On clicking onto the user profile, you can see there are options like members. I have opened a group, so here they show the members, all, and all members are being shown. Files, if there are any attachments, I have sent a audio chat and a video. Mentions, if you have mentioned someone, as there are no mentioned messages right now. Start, at start, how's your work going on, and it is shown the start messages. Share, you can share the link. I'll send it, and it is done. Pinned messages, there are no pinned messages right now. There is this option for notifications. You can change your notification preferences accordingly, and you can leave group. Suppose I am opening a particular user, so there you can see block the user. So that's all with this app. Thank you.